Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to sign out of your Netflix account on a Samsung Smart TV. Let's get started. First, grab your Samsung Smart TV remote and make sure your TV is turned on and connected to the internet. Navigate to the Netflix app. You can do this by pressing the home button on your remote, then using the arrow keys to select the Netflix app icon. Once you're in the Netflix app, you should see your Netflix home screen with profiles or the main content browsing area. Now we need to access the settings menu. Using your remote, move to the left to open the Netflix menu. Here you will see options like home, TV shows, movies, etc. Scroll down to the bottom until you see get help or settings. Press the enter or OK button on your remote to select get help or settings. On the settings screen, you'll see several options. Scroll down to find and select sign out. Netflix will ask you to confirm if you want to sign out. Select yes to confirm. And that's it. You are now signed out of Netflix on your Samsung Smart TV. You should now see the Netflix login screen. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with anyone who might need it.